Fleximake portable spill bunds to safely contain fuel, oil, and hazardous substances. Our collapsible wall spill bunds offer a smart, fast, and reliable solution for spill containment. Our bunds are made from heavy-duty fabrics, matched to your chemical needs. Check datasheets for material compatibility. And contact us for more information. Our standard bunds have 300mm walls, offering versatile, cost-effective containment. Fleximake spill bunds are durable, foldable, and quick to deploy, with reinforced walls, industrial-grade fabric, and fully sealed seams. Our bunds are designed for diverse applications, storing fuel, oil, chemicals, hazardous and corrosive substances, protecting drum storage areas, providing portable wash bays for vehicles, and ensuring safe refueling and maintenance operations. Standard or custom bunds, crafted in Australia, delivered with quick turnaround. Fleximake standard bunds have 300mm walls. Each model number shows the size and fabric, helping you quickly choose the right bund. Refer to our specs table for full size and material options. Here's an example of our standard collapsible spill bunds, with size and fabric details. Get your free quote today.